It's like you're going away from the edge. Okay, go. No zoom. Okay, go one more time. Not a very straight line you're doing there.
Sorry.
Okay, slow her down a little. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna come out here and we can do side gate. Wow, look at that switch. Cute. Okay, one more time. Okay, and then like bring her back to the center and like show her like you would grandstand for the judge. Good girl.